Hi everybody, today we are happy to show you our new indoor lighting layout tool. I will go select my 2x2 flat panel from the SKU dropdown. Once you have your SKU selected, you can click the info icon where you can see and edit your ballast driver factor and light loss factor. Then you can click the shape icon, which describes and affects the fixture's dimensions. As you can see, we selected a 2x2 and that shows you the length and width of the flat panel. When you click the cube icon, you can specify the room's dimensions, such as height, width, length, work plane height, and possibly the suspension length of your fixture. If you now click the Reflectance tab of this section, we can also specify the reflectance properties of your workspace. For a good estimate of an office application, go with a standard 80-50-20% for ceiling, walls, and floor. For a warehouse, 50-30-20 is a good standard. We can now click the grid icon, where we can either specify our desired illuminance or number of luminary fixtures and receive a layout plan. I'm going to specify 45-foot candles. And you can see our spacing in between our fixtures is calculated to achieve our desired illuminance. If you do not like the spacing of your application, you can then modify your layout in the Layout tab. For example, my office application might have a 2x2 ceiling grid. So I will select the left ceiling grid icon, enter the grid dimensions, and get a new layout plan. I am now ready to send my lighting layout, so I will click the Share button in the top right corner. If you see the Edit button, click it and enter your email and name as the reply to information and the customer's email as the to email. I could also send additional notes before I hit Send Email at the bottom of the form. If your customer did not receive the lighting layout, please ask them to check the spam folder. That's MaxLite.com's new lighting layout tool. We hope you find good use of it. Thanks for watching and join us next time for more new features on MaxLite.com.